multimedia smart English course. At this time, we're gonna make something different. Ta-da! As you can see, today we're going to make a cooking class tutorial video. Yes, smart people, Miss Ulan's gonna show you how to make a special beef sandwich from multimedia smart English course. The ingredients that we need are some slices of bread, some lettuce, tomatoes, smoked beef, and of course cheese. Because Miss Ulan likes to eat the spicy food, so I'm gonna use the chili sauce. But it's up to you, smart people. It's optional. If you don't like to eat the spicy one, you can change with the tomato sauce. And the tools that we need are plate and spoon. So how is it, smart people? Are you ready? Let's get started. First of all, you can take a slice of bread, put it on the plate. Then, you can put the chili sauce or tomato sauce, it's up to you. Put it on the bread. Use the spoon to spread them out. Spread the chili sauce or the tomato sauce on the bread. And if you finish, you may take the lettuce. Smart people, as we know, eating vegetables is very important for your health, especially for the kids. So I'm going to put the lettuce on the bread. This one. Take more. And if you finish with the lettuce, you may take the cheese. But look at this. Don't forget to peel off the plastic of the cheese. This way. A slice of cheese on my sandwich. And if you finish with the cheese, I'm gonna take the beef. You may use the smoked beef, put it on the cheese, and the last, I love tomato. Tomato is very important for your health. You may put 1 or 2 slices of tomato. And for the last, I want to make it more spicy, so I'm gonna put more. Done. And a slice of bread on the top. Ta-da! This is it. A special beef sandwich by Miss Ulan from Multimedia Smart English course. Is it yummy? Okay. And now, smart people, it's your turn. Try to make the video of how to make the beef sandwich, and don't forget to submit it in this group. Thank you very much, smart people, and see you again next time. Goodbye.